Proper data management and reporting is a critical aspect of any installation test. Creating a report from the 1670 Series Multifunction Installation Tester and True Test software. That's where the Fluke 1670 Series Multifunction Installation Tester and True Test software can make the process easier than ever. Quickly and easily set up and generate reports, so you can verify your work and invoice your customers quickly and accurately. For this video, we'll assume we've already performed our tests, taken a preliminary look at the data in our tester, connected our tester back to our PC via USB, and transferred our results to the True Test software using the Get Measurements function. To start off, we'll select the project we want to view here on the left. There are a few pages where we can update any of our client or site data, edit specific parameters, or adjust other information. Once we've updated all the information, we can jump to the Reporting tab, select a certificate, and your report will be automatically generated, complete with metadata, circuit descriptions, and test results. Now you're ready to print your report or export it to one of the available file formats so you can easily share it with your team or clients. And it really is that easy. Just a few clicks and you have a full report built. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out fluke.com.